I will analyze this 2010 movie called Eat, Pray, Love by Julian Robert has the theme of self-discovery. The search is through cultural experience in three locations. The movie shows various cultural experience in Italy, India, and Bali. The movie is about the journey of a woman named Liz Gilbert. She lives urban American life in search of her true self and finds the spark in her life. Liz explores various cultural perspectives and values from Italian pleasures, Indian spirituality, and Bali harmony. Searchlight is Culture Bomb. We will talk about Culture Bomb aspect. Liz's first destination was Rome in Italy. Liz experienced the culture bomb of the laid-back lifestyles of Italians who prioritize enjoyment, in contrast to her fast-paced life in America. Lisa's second destination was to India to meet one of famous teachers called Guru. Liz decides to come to ashram and then she has a hard time adapting to the strict schedule practice of meditation and challenge her understanding of discipline. The third destination was in Indonesia, on the island of Bali. Liz was quite surprised by the Balinese way of life, which was more peaceful but still harmonious with nature, as well as local residents who are thick with a mystical culture of belief. Lisa's identity changed significantly in each country. In Italy, she learned about personal pleasures and enjoying time with the people around her. In India, she deepened her understanding of spirituality, introspection, and self-discipline. In Bali, she found a balance between personal needs, social relationship, and harmonious nature. In Italy, the culture of savoring moments and relaxing influenced Liz to celebrate simple pleasures. In India, collectivism and a focus on spiritual values influenced Liz to connect more deeply with herself and God. In Bali, about a balance of masculine and feminine values through harmony and togetherness. Italy, verbal communication goes beyond talking with your mouth and express with your hand. In India, the area Asram live in is more reflective and prioritize silence for meditation. In Bali, communication involves many nonverbal elements, including smiles and body language. Italian like to eat and socialize. Indian are religious and strong in spirituality. Bali as a peaceful place with natural harmony and mystic. Americans in the eyes of Italians are those who don't know how to enjoy themselves. Liz was told the phrase that Italians often call dolce far niente, which means the sweetness of doing nothing or enjoying the moment, which is different with American culture, work hard and pace fast. Liz's friends in Italy show others' perspective regarding the meaning of life, which is included in the cultural interaction. For Liz's cultural interaction in India, Liz had to overcome the challenges of adapting to the ashram's strict meditation schedule and to be disciplined. She is learned confronting the inner struggle itself, such as to deal with the past traumas and accept that a simple life can bring peace. Interaction in Bali, her interaction with a Gatut leader, a shaman, Wayan, a local single mother, show how Bali brings together elements of spirituality and community, and also Liz used her financial privilege to help Wayan. Liz learned to appreciate the balance between giving and receiving. This made Bali the last place where she could absorb and apply the learnings from Italy and India. Liz finds harmony in Bali by balancing herself, nature, and relationship, like her relationship with a man named Felipe who shows love with respect. In Italy, Liz learned to obey elders. For example, the old lady who rented her room in Italy. In India, teachers have great authority over students. Liz learned through that who need knowledge should obey those who give knowledge. In Bali, there is a balance of power, but Liz also demonstrates a higher economic position when helping Mayan. Enjoying the moment. In Italy, the culture is relaxed, enjoying the moment, and focused on happiness that defines Li's experience. In India, it was more busy and hectic, but the ashram area shows a spiritual and disciplined culture, forcing Liz to face emotional challenges. The Balinese cultural context teaches the importance of balance in all aspects of life. Misunderstandings occur due to differences in communication styles. In the early scene, Liz has difficulty communicating with the renter in Italy due to language barrier. Another example, Liz had to understand that silence in India is a deep form of communication in contrast to her tendencies to speak verbally. So the solution to the problem cross-cultural, opening up the cultural differences, learning to listen, and understanding the cultural context are the key to overcoming cross-cultural communication barriers and deal with the cultural bomb, as listed. The movie shows how to acceptance of other cultures can enrich one's perspective and build better cross-cultural relationship. Let's become more self-aware and empathic through her interaction with people from different cultures. All in all, Eat, Pray, Love shows the dynamics of intercultural communication through Lisa's journey and also shows how understanding and respecting other cultures can help growing as personally. Through Liz Gilbert's cultural journey in Eat, Pray, Love, we learn that understanding and appreciating cultural differences is the first step to a richer and more meaningful life. Thank you for your all attention.